Hey friends, if you wish to know what quick settings are in Windows 11 and how to use them and maximize your benefit, then please watch this video. Now if you scroll your mouse here to these three icons, you'll notice that they are open together and this is called quick settings. You can use it to manage the Wi-Fi, you can use it to manage the airplane mode, the Bluetooth, accessibility features, night light, just one click and it shifts to night light, and the battery saver. Now this is grayed out because my system is on power right now, but when I remove the power cord, this battery saver option is also been enabled. Okay, so you can also check the status of your battery here. You can increase the brightness, you can change the system sound, the amplitude of the system sound. You can also access the volume mixer here. If you wish to reduce or increase the volume for a specific application, then you can do it from here. Now this is one part. The second part is with the adding or removing these quick access icons. So click on this edit button here. Now to remove a certain icon, like for example, if I wish to remove accessibility, then simply click on this pin here and it's gone. And if you wish to add an icon, then click on add. You'll find the available options here and then select the one which you wish to add. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.